Who has any wins they'd like to share with everybody else?
I closed my house on last Thursday, so basically the seller start paying me 7 months of rent and then becoming my renter. So I brought it with a very low price. It's a very good deal.
That is so exciting. Okay, so really quickly, a couple of things. Where are you investing? And I'm super excited that you are already getting money out for the property right away. That's great.
Yeah, the house is really close to where I am, so the neighborhood is pretty good. I know there's lack of inventory. It's really hard to find houses there. So you can rent it in it's just like 5 minutes drive from my house. So I decided to manage myself for this one.
It's great. What city is it?
Is it Indianapolis?
Indianapolis.
Yeah, where I live, yeah.
Cool. I know it's a good market too, so good for you. That's exciting news.
Yeah, I'm looking for another one. So possibly get another deal.
Yeah. That's great. Okay. Who else would like to start with their wins?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I would like to celebrate today that I have a lender who gave me a pre-approval letter. I've interviewed 3 property managers in my market, and I got my second phone call from one of them today, or done today. That's about it. Thank you.
Good job, buddy. Those are great. Now, where are you planning on investing?
I'm focusing right now in Alabama, Birmingham.
Good, good, good. Okay. Who else is next? Who else would like to share their wins? Marty.
Yeah, I can go. So I almost made it through the entire real estate investing course. I'm on the financing chapter of it, which is really exciting. It's a long course, lots of info. And I've chosen an area, 2 areas. I'm thinking about, I started with Columbus, Ohio. I interviewed property managers there. And I'm also interviewing property managers in Cleveland, Ohio. I realized that Columbus was very expensive, relatively speaking. So I'm scoping out both places. I've found some neighborhoods that I'm looking to invest in right now. So I'm like at that place where I'm talking to people, and I feel like I'm in a good place where I know what to do. I just need to figure out like financing and start actually like getting a realtor to look at houses with me.
That's fantastic. I invest in Cleveland, so I know Cleveland. If you find the outlying cities or little suburbs outside, those are usually much better than the actual like Cleveland city itself. But make sure you have the right property manager. They're going to, make sure that you're going in the right direction. But that's great, Marty.
What I recommend you look out for in Cleveland is something called POS violations. So they're point of sale violations. In Cleveland, they're trying to gentrify and keep the city and everything pretty,